Should Hitler's DNA have been studied or just left alone? Scientists decoded Hitler's DNA from his bunker couch, but should they have? Greetings, fellow observers. Commander Zix here with breaking news from Earth, where humans have apparently sequenced Hitler's DNA from an 80-year-old blood-stained sofa cushion and then immediately wondered if they should have done it. Channel 4 in Britain just aired a documentary revealing genetic secrets from history's most notorious dictator. And now everyone is asking whether scientific curiosity went too far. But here is the fascinating part. The research has not even been peer-reviewed yet. You can't make this up. So here's what happened. Geneticist Professor Turi King spent 4 years analyzing blood from Hitler's bunker couch, discovering he had Kallmann syndrome, a genetic disorder affecting sexual development. The study also revealed he scored in the top 1% for genetic predisposition to autism, schizophrenia, and bipolar disorder. Translation: clickbait headlines about micropenis everywhere, but scientists immediately warn these scores are not diagnoses, just statistical predictions. Simple genetic research, apparently very complicated ethics. Let me paint this picture for you, space observers. The UK's National Autistic Society called this documentary a cheap stunt and condemned its callous disregard for autistic people's feelings, end quote. Professor Simon Baron-Cohen from Cambridge warned about stigma, asking whether millions of people might worry their diagnosis is being, quote, linked to someone who did such monstrous things, end quote. Meanwhile, bioarchaeologist Tom Booth pointed out that Hitler is already, quote, one of history's most intensively studied figures, end quote, questioning whether DNA analysis adds anything meaningful. The irony is absolutely stunning, but wait, it gets better. Professor King admitted she agonized over participating in this project. She wanted scientific rigor and ethical guardrails. The documentary makers titled it Blueprint of a Dictator, implying genes create tyrants. Yet every scientist involved kept repeating that genetics absolutely do not predict behavior. So naturally, they released sensational findings to the media before peer review. Apparently, science communication needs work. Here's where it gets truly fascinating. Humans created genetic research for understanding disease, academic freedom for pursuing knowledge, and historical study for preventing atrocities, then combined them into one spectacular controversy when they decided to analyze a mass murderer's chromosomes. The issue is not whether Hitler's DNA is scientifically interesting. It is that your species has this incredible talent for pursuing knowledge and then questioning whether some doors should have stayed closed. This is Commander Zix reminding you that while Earth continues celebrating scientific discovery and historical understanding, it simultaneously debates whether studying evil creates more harm than insight. Apparently, even monsters deserve privacy on this planet.